Hello and welcome to Global Market Bulletin TV. I'm your host, Leyla Gulen. Today, we welcome our guest, Henry Liu, co-founder, chairman, and CEO of Lakeside Holding Limited. Mr. Liu, can you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit more about Lakeside Holding Limited and your brand, American Bear Logistics, for those not familiar with your company?
Sure. Good morning. My name is Henry. First of all, thank you for having me here. My company, Lakeside Holding Limited, listed on the Nasdaq capital market under the symbol LSH, is a US-based integrated cross-border supply chain solution provider with a strategic focus on Asian markets, including China and South Korea. So we operate under the brand American Bear Logistics with strategic locations in Chicago, Dallas, LA, and New York, where we primarily provide customized cross-border ocean freight and air freight solutions in the US that specifically cater to our customers' requirements and the needs for transporting goods. So we are an Asian American owned business rooted in the US with in-depth understanding of both the US and the Asian international trading and the logistics service markets. So our customers are typically Asia and US-based logistics service companies serving large e-commerce platforms, social media platforms, and manufacturers to sell and transport consumer and industrial goods made in Asia into the US.
Well, thank you for that explanation of the company's foundation. Your work as a US-based integrated cross-border supply chain solution provider has an impressive strategic focus on the Asian market. I'd love to learn more about the vision behind Lakeside Holding and how you're positioning the company to meet the evolving needs of the freight and logistics industry.
Sure. Yes. Actually, American Bear Logistics founded in 2018, which is 6 years ago. And Lakeside Holding Limited went to become IPO this year on July 1st.
Very good. And can you tell us more about that journey from the company's founding to IPO?
Sure. So over the past 6 years prior to our IPO, we have worked hard to form strong alliance with nearly all major global ocean and air freight carriers and over 200 domestic ground transportations carriers. Our network encompasses a network of over 60,000 drivers and 150 terminals. Through that network, we have efficiently managed over 29,800 20-foot equivalent of container loads and 41,800 tons of air cargo for more than 300 customers globally. So American Bear Logistics spent years firmly establishing itself as a fastest growing, reliable provider of supply chain solutions between Asia and the US. By leveraging advanced technology, strategic partnerships, and operational efficiency to cater to the growing demands of the e-commerce driven cross-border trade markets. Based on our success in the integrated freight logistics sector, we choose to take a next step in the company and began trading public, like I said, on the Nasdaq capital market, where IPO on July 1st, 2024. So with recently reported 40.9% increase in gross profit and continued improvements in our gross margin, we are excited about continued growth opportunities for Lakeside Holding that area ahead. Our recent service launches, operational expansions, and partnerships with leading e-commerce platforms solidify our position as a trusted provider of seamless, technology-driven logistics solutions, setting the stage for continued success in fiscal year 2025 and beyond.
Yeah, the company recently announced the expansion of its Dallas-Fort Worth operations with a new office and warehouse lease that is more than twice the size of the previous location. You've expanded your DFW footprint from approximately 20,000 square feet to an impressive 46,000 plus. How does this move position Lakeside Holding to continue its growth trajectory in 2025?
Yes. So our expansion in Dallas area marks a significant milestone for American Bear Logistics and reflects our commitment to providing top-notch logistics solution to our clients. So with a larger facility and increased workforce, we are well positioned to handle the rising demand and continue delivering efficient, reliable, and innovative service. We choose to expand in response to growing demand for ABL's customized cross-border logistics solutions. Doubling the size of our operations in Texas will enable the company to better serve its customers with increased efficiency and capacity. So the new Dallas office and warehouse will also feature advanced technology and a system to further streamline operations, ensure timely and accurate order fulfillment. ABL's team of logistic experts will leverage this increased capacity to enhance service delivery and support the company's ongoing growth strategy.
Yeah, yeah. And Lakeside Holding also announced in early September the launch of a new pick and pack fulfillment service for one of its longstanding customers, one of the largest logistics and delivery companies in China. What does the addition of this new service for such a large-scale logistics and delivery company say about the current needs of your partners?
Introducing the pick and pack fulfillment service deepens our partnership with one of our most esteemed customers. By harnessing our advanced infrastructure and technology, we're providing a service that supports their core business and elevates their operational efficiency with innovative, scalable logistics solutions. So ABL will integrate with customer system to access real-time inventory data, facilitating efficient order processing. We will manage inventory by retrieving real-time data from the customer system to ensure accurate and up-to-date stock levels, and we will handle all aspects of order fulfillment, including picking, packing, labeling, and shipping. So this new service is available at key ABL's hubs, including Chicago O'Hare International Airport, Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, and Los Angeles International Airport. So actually, the service has already commenced at our ORD, DFW, and LAX locations.
Well, in August, you announced a strategic agreement with one of the world's most popular social media and e-commerce platforms. This collaboration will provide sellers on the platform with a comprehensive suite of customs brokerage services, including customs clearance and customs duty management. Let's talk more about the ABL's partnership that goes beyond traditional logistics services, powered by its cutting-edge technology and team of experts. How does the company's advanced API integration developed in-house directly connect with the platform's inventory system, enabling real-time data exchange for accurate order fulfillment and seamless communication?
Yes, actually, as a logistic provider, American Bear Logistics offers significant advantages for platform sellers. So our expertise in customs clearance ensures smooth and efficient processing, which is crucial for cross-border transactions. With our established network, we guarantee timely pickup and delivery, giving sellers peace of mind. We also provide real-time status updates, allowing full visibility into their inventory at every stage of the process. By outsourcing their logistics needs to American Bear Logistics, platform sellers can focus more on growing their businesses instead of worrying about the complexities of logistics. Our team's advanced API integration capabilities allow us to seamlessly deliver products to consumers quickly and efficiently. This partnership really highlights the strength of our business and our commitment to providing leading solutions in the logistics sector.
Yeah, July saw the announcement that ABL is to provide cross-border fulfillment services with a leading Asia-based e-commerce platform. The collaboration is set to enhance the cross-border shopping experience for sellers by providing a comprehensive suite of logistics services tailored to their unique needs, including entry service on air and ocean freight, customs declaration, freight recovery services at destination, parcel handling services, and assistance with parcel delivery. Can you explain how Lakeside's extensive network of global partners and carriers will enable sellers to offer their customers various reliable and cost-effective shipping options, further enhancing the customer experience?
Sure. Our partnership with this digital and social commerce pioneer represents more than just traditional logistics. It's about leveraging cutting-edge technology to drive efficiency. So at ABL, we have developed an advanced API integration in-house that connects directly with the platform's inventory system, allowing for real-time data exchange. This ensures precise order fulfillment and seamless communications throughout the logistics process. With our expertise in customs clearance, efficient pickup and delivery network, and real-time status updates, sellers gain full visibility into their inventory, allowing them to focus on growing their businesses. We're excited about this collaboration and how our innovative solutions will help their products reach consumers faster and more efficiently.
Let's dive into the company financials. What is the company's current financial health, including revenue, profitability, and debt levels?
Yes, so our total revenues increased by 5.4 million, which is 42.3%, from 12.9 million in the last fiscal year to 18.3 million in the current fiscal year. The significant increase was primarily driven by higher revenues from our cross-border air freight solutions, partially offset by a decrease in revenues from our cross-border ocean freight solutions. Especially our cross-border air freight solution segment reported revenue of 10.4 million, a 170.6% increase from 4.8 million in the last year. So gross profit increased by 1.2 million, which is 44.9% from 2.6 million in the last fiscal year to 3.7 million in the current fiscal year. Our gross profit margin also increased from 19.9% to 20.3% accordingly. The slight increase in gross profit margin was primarily attributable to the rise in sales and our promotion of a diverse range of service, including warehousing, distribution, and customs clearance services, which we offered current customers with a higher markup. However, we suffered a loss before income taxes of approximately 0.03 million for the fiscal year ended June 30, 2024, which was primarily attributable to the net effects of the increase in gross profit, the rise in operating expenses attributed to higher salary and employee benefit expenses, office expense, and professional fee in accordance with expansion of our business during the fiscal year end June 30, 2024.
Well, this has been extremely informative today. Could you please let the audience know the best place they can go for additional company information?
Sure, you can learn more about our company at lakeside-holding.com. We trade publicly on the Nasdaq mark under the symbol LSH.
Mr. Liu, thank you so much for your time. We look forward to monitoring your company progress and speaking with you again in the near future.
Thank you.